All right, what's up, you guys? Hope you guys are doing well. Today is November 26th. Oh, sorry, the 25th. It is a Monday, no news Monday for today. So I wasn't really seeing any kind of price action. I genuinely wasn't really looking to take a trade today, only because of there being no news. So a little bit of less volatility than normal. But besides the point, pre-market analysis. What I really wanted to see is we have this opening week gap, and I wanted to see to price to retrace back into it, fill it, and then distribute to the upside, targeting these pre-market highs. So what ended up happening is we ended up filling this pre-market fair value gap once market opened, came back up, manipulated to the top, sweeping above all of these highs right here. Let's see on the 1 hour time frame, we came up into this volumetric imbalance to the downside. So sure enough, we continued even lower. Um, Today's bias was kind of just like mix and a match of bullish bias, and then also we have bearish bias because of a higher time frame, fair value gaps and volumetric imbalances and stuff like that. But unfortunately, I mean, I don't really know what the fuck's going on because we've been filling this fair value gap for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days almost, and we still have not seen a big move down. I think it's because we are also filling this fair value gap to the upside. So I don't really know what's going on with that. Besides the point, going into here, like I said, no trade for today, but I did just want to see to price to manipulate to the upside, or sorry, distribute to the upside. Unfortunately, we didn't really see any kind of good moves. We didn't really have any nice fair value gaps to retrace back into. So I ended up just leaving it. And then later on during class, when I was in school, I ended up paper trading. Saw that we had this fair value gap right here. Waited for price to retrace. Boom, took it at the wick of the bottom right there. Took it all the way to these internal resting liquidity highs right here, and that's pretty much it. Didn't really see anything else besides that on ES. Pretty much the same thing. Saw that I had the exact same pre-market analysis. I wanted to see price retrace back into this, and then distribute to the upside, targeting these pre-market highs. But unfortunately, like I said, nothing really respected that. We did have a move to the upside after we came into this gap right here. Um, Potentially on the 15 minute. Let's see. So yeah, so this was the 15-minute inverse fair value gap. You could have taken it right here. Oops, taking it right here. Let me get rid of this. But just keep in mind, we are in this weekly weekend open gap right here. Inverse fair value gap, a retrace back into that fair value gap, and then you could have taken it to these highs right here. Potentially, if you go on a lower time frame, you could find, yeah, probably just to these highs right here. It's a pretty decent trade. And then same thing with pretty much on IWM. I didn't trade IWM. I really was mainly looking at ES and NQ. But as you could see, we had a similar idea. I wanted to see price to retrace back into it. Unfortunately, we did not. So what ended up happening is we swept pre-market lows right here. We filled this fair value gap. Um, and then I wanted to see it was like I said, it's kind of a mix and match kind of day. Um, Bearish bias, bullish bias. You just kind of had to see what happens with the market. We saw this 1 minute fair value gap right here. So I wanted to see price to retrace back into it. This was actually just a paper trade. And if you watched my all-time highs trading strategy, you know that we swept all of these highs right here. So this was a great day to understand and actually use that trading strategy that I posted. Um, Originally, what I wanted to target is this take profit one, and then after that, this is a great spot where you can start using the all-time high strategy. Um, Having a trailing stop loss and all that kind of stuff. So at this point, you can move your stop loss to take profit to 1 to 3. Honestly, I probably would have moved it to 1 for 4 if I was actually in this trade, only because how small of a move from this first take profit all the way to the take profit or 1 to 3 risk reward. Move it to a 1 to 4. Boom. You can move your stop loss to break even. And then 1 to 5. Boom. Works perfectly. Move your stop loss to take profit 1. You can move your take profit to 1 to 6 right here. Fortunately, did not come up into it, pretty close, and then retraced back into take profit one, closing all your positions. Pretty good day today. You genuinely could have used that trading strategy. If you have not watched that video, go back and watch that video. Um, but yeah, I honestly missed last week's uploading on YouTube. I was trading, took 2 wins and then 1 loss, or actually, I should say 1 loss, 1 win, or two. I don't even fucking know. I'd have to look back at my journal, but honestly, um, yeah, I kind of started lacking with my uploading on YouTube videos because how busy I was last week, but pretty much freed up this week, so we are good to go back on track to uploading every single day. We have Thanksgiving on Thursday, and then definitely no trading on Friday. Um, these 2 days, I'm just gonna be off the market. I mean, Thursday markets close anyway. Friday, it's just gonna be paper kind of day. Tomorrow, we are looking at 9 a.m. consumer confidence, and then also FOMC tomorrow at 1 p.m. So potentially looking to see anything after 9 a.m. Also tomorrow or Wednesday we have unemployment claims, and then whatever this is at 7:30. 9 a.m. we have PCE, so definitely gonna watch out for that. So everything I think starting tomorrow, so just tomorrow and Wednesday is just gonna be trading after 9. So we'll see what happens with that. If you guys want to join the Discord, I will be having this Wednesday, I will be hosting another educational group call with me and a bunch of other people as well. I don't really know what I'm gonna have it on yet. I think a lot of people are still new to trading within that group, so I'm probably just going to have just like a little back testing and understanding certain things, um, kind of thing. But yeah, so Discord's gonna be in the link in the description if you guys want to go to that. Um, I've got over 70 views on one of my, or I should say 80 views on one of my videos. It's actually pretty insane. I've never seen it. It's like cool to see that there's people actually watching my videos. Like, we're currently at 17 subscribers and then 82 views. I'm looking at it right now, 82 views. Pretty fucking cool, dude. Nice to see that. So, if you guys are new here, hit the subscribe button. I do post these kind of content every single day. I'm gonna start posting more educational stuff on here as well. Also, what I'm looking to do is once I enter a trade to start recording on my OBS right here, so I can have the full live trade open from opening my position to hitting my full take profit, and then like slicing it over to make it just a little bit shorter. But yeah, that's it for now. I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace.